Welcome to Kitchen Cruise. Today I am making a Middle Eastern dish called Shakshuka. So let's begin. First I am going to blend some ripe tomatoes to a very fine and smooth puree. I'm gonna now strain this puree to make sure all the seed and skin are collected. And we also have a nice and smooth tomato puree. Take some garlic and bash them up. Let's begin with heating the pan and adding some oil. This is on moderate flame. Once the oil heats up, I'll be adding chopped vegetables. After a few mixes, it started turning into translucent in color. That's when you add in the tomato puree. After a light few stirs, we add in the spices and flavorings. Some chilli powder. You can also add paprika, oregano, thyme and rosemary. Salt as required, some sugar, cumin powder to balance the sweetness and tartiness of the sauce. And now it needs to simmer and cook for next 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. When you see the sauce had dried to this consistency, now let's break the eggs. Break the eggs individually into a bowl and with the help of a spoon, make a little bit of space and rest this right there. Similarly, start placing the rest of the eggs in the pan and allow this to cook until the eggs are fully cooked. Cover this with a lid. Finally, some roughly chopped coriander and black pepper. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Kitchen Brews.